What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Woman Commits a XXX Crime at the Store." Man, you know, we gotta try to, can't say the full words. You know, YouTube be real sensitive. So let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
This woman thought it was a good idea to be naked and masturbate in front of the cops.
You didn't expect that? Come back, playa!
It was mostly an uneventful night for the officers until Celia decided to spice it up. She had been threatened with arrest by another store the previous day, but it wasn't fun enough. So she got drunk, stripped off her clothes, and took out the deadliest weapon civilization has ever seen, a vegetable peeler. She then went into a convenience store, broke a few things here and there, and threatened the staff with murder. Not much.
There's a white demo blonde here. They're still updating.
Yeah, we're 10-12 in the store. She's naked. Signal 20.
What up, police? Y'all just so cool, huh? You just so cool. I just, yay, nigga.
Hey, stop,
I'd have
stop.
a better time in prison. Y'all made me so miserable. Y'all were rude. You can't touch me, huh? No. What? I ain't letting Yakes get that. I'm an Erie's, I'll get that.
What's your name?
He was rude. I'm a nice person, but Yakes is rude. And he's not gonna get that. I'm an Erie's. I'm from Mount North. Erie's. We found Northerners rude as we run this. Now you bitch in Florida, ho. You
What happened when you got in there? What happened when you got in there?
Oh, she didn't want to do a pat frisk, huh? She didn't want to do a pat frisk before she got in the car?
They got the door closed and she's just standing there masturbating.
Oh, gross.
Yeah, so guess we have a lot of victims.
When arrests become cumbersome, sanitizers are welcome.
1493 Tango Alpha.
Hey, what are your numbers?
For what?
To log in.
All right, listen. Is anybody here injured at all?
No, this is the what she was using to stab people.
Yeah. Who was she stabbing? Anybody?
Everybody. She was
Just waving around?
Yeah, everybody.
Did she threaten anybody with a knife?
Yeah, everybody here.
Like, okay. Did she come at you at all with a knife?
Yeah, she came at me with a knife.
Came at you?
No, her.
Came at,
And then
okay.
she came at me that way with
I'm
a
standing
knife.
right here. She didn't come
Okay.
at me because I was waiting for her.
Okay, I appreciate it. All right, so, all right. Do you need a minute? Is anybody else here working with you?
Not me.
Oh, you work here too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Can you grab their information for now and help them get settled down and help these folks out so they get going? Or just leave everything as it is. We got to do some photos.
Yeah.
If you want to help these guys out, get them going, whatever you're buying, whatever, we get you guys going out of here, okay? And we'll talk to you guys.
Who cares? I'll have a better time in there. What? 10-4. What? Thought about it for 2 months. I was miserable. How dare you? You didn't expect that. Came back. What? You gotta come back, honey. You gotta have thrive. You gotta have heart and soul and want to live. And now I'll be preserved for a few years and I'll come back a better person. What? And you never see this? And what? Get this party started. They were rude. What? You didn't expect that? Come back, playa. Snow. What? In the butt? And you don't stop. See what else you got, Jakes? Much respect to you as a woman, but some men are disrespectful. When you cross my leg, I'm sorry.
She made sure everybody was traumatized in the store.
And I really close.
Ice pick or some shit.
Always like that because I see it with that and I can understand if it's a.
Him? Well, we're going to delve into that.
Are you okay?
Him and also the clerk.
You sure?
So, Melanie's here. She'll probably take it, I'm guessing?
Yeah, she's 10.
This is the third time, man. I've dealt with her.
Or it might be 14 years, actually.
Okay.
I'll check to see.
All right. Like I said, just leave everything as is. We're gonna get some photos, and you guys can clean up after that.
All right.
I assume she did all this. Is that correct?
This is everything here.
Okay. All right. Where's her clothes at? Does she have clothes here? Okay. All right.
She's coming back in that street. She's coming.
Cram off of Hames Road, or
I don't know.
over that way?
Yes, but that way, not the totally with nothing. She got, and I don't know what is that.
Okay.
She hands, I think he's.
Were you inside when this happened?
No, I was like very close to the door. When I see that, I go back in the car. So.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, here it is. I need to put it back. Do you have a bag by chance?
Yeah.
This is not the way I wanted the night to go. You know, I said cool down so people can chill out. All right. So there's two. It looks like the clerk was threatened, and also the other employee was threatened. These other guys were just kind of witnesses. Yeah. So apparently she ran across the street completely naked, came in here, and that's when all this went down. No, she has no clothes in there.
Yeah.
So. Well.
Never go a moment here like you.
You want to do ID since it's going to be a felony? Because they can come out and do photos. If not, we could just.
I mean, we already.
We'd probably take photos ourselves.
Yeah, I'll take.
None of them are injured.
No.
So they were threatened with it, and I guess she just pounded it on. I'm kind of curious to see
Did
if
she
they
say anything like when she had the knife?
I think the clerks kind of confronted them, and then that's when she was waving around. The witnesses say they weren't threatened with it, but obviously the one clerk behind the counter, the female there, she was upset.
Here's what she told the officers about her actions.
All right, can you tell me what happened today?
Well, let's just say I had a bad Christmas and holiday. I had a fallout with them, and they just treated me so bad. Every day for the last 2.5 months, I've been going through trauma, thinking about it.
So what happened here tonight?
Oh, there? I don't even...
in the gas station.
Oh, I don't even know. I probably did that accidentally to myself. And I got drunk, and I shouldn't have got drunk because I knew better, because I knew I was going to get them back because they were so horrible to me. And I had the most horrible Christmas because of them. They were just so cruel to me. I'm so...
Right. Do you remember what you did when you went in the store?
Yeah.
She's not like breathing hard or sweating or
high.
not like side delirium shit?
No.
Okay. I just want to make sure, you know.
Not yet.
She changes. Not injured or bleeding or anything like that? Okay.
I mean, like, I remember, like, I just blacked out.
Okay. All right. How much alcohol have you had today?
Like 5 shots, but...
5 shots of what?
Liquor, and I'm going to be real, I remember everything I did. I did kind of, I mean, it's a blackout because I drink alcohol, and I wouldn't tell if I was an alcohol, but I remember what I did, and I kicked down stuff, and it's just, you know, it felt good for the release because they were so bad to me. Like, they gave me no choice but to do that. I'm sorry that you have to see all this.
Okay.
Like,
All right. No.
You have the right to remain silent. Now, don't get me wrong. She ain't getting out of this. No way. You know why? Because they probably have cameras inside of the store. So they can see everything anyway. So, but by you admitting to everything that you just did, there ain't nothing a public defender could do for you. Okay? You have the right to remain silent. Whether you in the right or the wrong, that is what you should do. But imagine you going to get some gas. Or hey, maybe you don't even drive a car. Maybe you a walker, man. Maybe you walk into the store. Know what I'm saying? Gotta go pick up some milk or, you know, whatever. And you see a lady trying to get one off naked in the store, man. She's trying to get her rocks off in the store. That's insane. I would be traumatized. You hear me?
Thanks.
No. Apparently she showed up without clothes on. So, you know, who knows? Crack is a crazy thing, you know? So. There's got to be something, you know? All right. Is there anything else damaged at all, or just this area here?
Just it. Threw the cigarettes right there.
Okay.
Sam, you counted about 3 or 4 times.
Okay.
I stayed right next to him. I had some.
Okay. But she didn't threaten you, though?
Not
She
at
just-
all.
Okay. All right.
Common sense set in real quick.
Yes. Steer clear of that. So, all right.
I'm from Chicago. I'm seeing
She got all that. She threw all the peanut stuff over there.
Okay.
That's her peanut stuff.
Well, when you get a chance, we'll assess how much damage there is. so we can see.
Come on, OG. You ain't got to throw all that in there, man. Yo, yeah, common sense set in real quick. She ain't that me. I'm from Chicago, Chirac, man. That's where we... Come on, man. Your time has passed, OG, man. You know what I mean? Hey, maybe when you was a young buck, you know, you was a wild dude. But come on, man. Cut it out, man. Cut it out. You can just say, nah, she ain't threatening me, man. You ain't got to throw all the extras in there. We don't need to know that you from Chicago. You from O Block or somewhere. You know what I mean? Come on, man.
But we're done with our pictures here, so when you're ready, okay? I know you got people to help out, so no rush. We'll come talk to you in a little bit, okay?
Hey, what up? Hey. Maria. So.
All right, Celia, can I get these clothes on you before you get out, please?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't want you to go in here naked, and it is a little cold out. What happened to your clothes?
Thank you. I had taken them off on the sidewalk out front.
It's so cold outside.
I know. Thank you so much.
Why you want to like have no clothes on?
Oh my God, it's like a certain...
She was charged with aggravated assault, disorderly intoxication, trespass, criminal mischief, and exposure of sexual organs. YouTube.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.